Native Seed Search started about 35 years ago with the goal of preserving agricultural and food and dye craft seeds from the Southwest. So these are seeds that have been domesticated mostly, though we do have some wild crop relative seeds as well. But they are seeds that have been very important to the cultures in this region. So the purpose of the seed bank is to keep those seeds as alive and available to people for as long as possible. The bank itself, that cold storage that we keep the seeds in, is designed to help them stay alive for a good long period of time. However, storing seeds is not the way to keep them alive in the long term. It's a way to extend their lives, but they are alive, and they are not going to do anybody good just sitting in a refrigerator somewhere. So it's important to get those out into the community. So that's the other aspect of what we do. There are approximately 1,900 accessions in the collection, though. So that means different collections from different regions. There are over 500 accessions of corn and close to 500 accessions of beans, and then squash is the next largest. The garden is one of the places that we grow out the seeds in the seed bank collection. Keeping them in cold storage will extend their lives for a certain period of time, but in order to maintain over a long period, they need to be grown out again. Some of the water that is collected, that is harvested here on site, is used to water the garden, but the way the garden is set up out there, it's not the most convenient access for the cisterns, and the cisterns at this stage don't supply enough water to keep the garden watered. We've actually just negotiated with the county the ability to use the reclaimed water that's on the site, and so we're real excited about that. This room is our seed lab, and so we have volunteers here 3 to 4 days a week doing seed cleaning, so processing the seeds that we've harvested, sorting out the bad ones and keeping the good ones, separating chaff from seeds. They're also doing a lot of seed packing, which is packaging the seeds into packets for distribution, whether through retail sales or through our seed distribution programs like our Community Seed Grant program or our Native American Seed Request program. So we wouldn't be around if not for volunteers. We are a very, very volunteer-dependent organization.